If you want to know how to restore Snapchat streaks, come to the right place. So let's open our Snapchat to fix this problem. After that, we need to click on our avatar in the left top corner right up here to open our profile page. Then click on settings in the right top corner on this icon here to open our settings, and scroll down to find support area. And as you can see, we have a line which is called I've lost my snap streak. So if you click on it here, we can find some answers for questions: how do I restore my snap streak? And they say that it's impossible, but we still have one way of how can we do this. So we need to go back, and then from this page here we need to click on I need help right up here. So after that, on this page we also have one icon which is like in the central top part, I lost my snap streak. And if we'll click, we have like more opened answer of why can't we restore it, how can we get it back. And as you can see, we still don't have any options to do it. We can click on was this article helpful? No. And after that we can submit the report. So it's really important. Click on it, and as you can see, we need to choose the first option here. Click on submit. And after that, as you can see, now we have the option to contact us feature. So we can click on contact us, and we need to do this. And after that, we'll come to this page here where we need to describe our problem. So we need to click on I lost my snap streak. Then we need to scroll down to find the other thing here. How do I restore my snap streak? So after that, we'll need to click on still need help, yes. And after that, on this page here, we need to fulfill all the information about our problem. We need to input our username here, email address, mobile number, device, friend's username, and then we need to explain our issue. When did you start having this issue? We need to write something like this. And how long was your snap streak before it expired? Also, we need to fulfill this information here. And do you see the time icon? We need to input yes. And here in the description, we need to explain the problem that we need to restore and how can we do this. Please help us, and so on. So add as much information as possible, and after that click on submit right up here. So after that, the Snapchat support team will receive our message and they will help us to fix it. So this is the way of how can we restore Snapchat streaks. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.